Hello, this is how we grab information to put into a spreadsheet that we're going to use for a mailing. Currently, right now, we're using Google Sheets. I can send this as a spreadsheet on Excel or whatever works. Basically, what we're doing is we're going to grab the information. Here, this is the property address. We're going to copy this and we're going to take it to a program called LIPA. It's alipa.org. You're going to go into database search, property search. You're going to put the address in here. As soon as you put it in there, it's going to pull up information on the property. You're going to come in. You're going to grab this information. And you're going to take it over to the call log. And you're going to paste it in. Basically, what you're going to take on this one, actually, I think I've got the wrong property here. Let's do one that, yeah, that's the right one. You're going to go into LIPA. You're going to copy the address, the information here. This is actually a trust. I'm going to grab that information, and you're going to put the first full name in, and then you're going to put the first name in, and you're going to come back over. You see here site address. Well, the owner of record lives somewhere different, so you're going to grab this information here, copy it in here, come back over, and do the same with the mailing city, state, and zip code. As you go through, you'll find some of these may actually be a corporation. Here's an example of one. So if you take this one and you actually stick it in, you're going to see that this one actually comes up as a company. What you can do with that is you can grab that information and go to a different site, which is sunbiz.org. Sunbiz.org. Come up here. Let me go back so I can show you. Type it in here. Hit search now. It's going to bring the property up. You see this one's active, that one's inactive. So you want to grab the active one. It's the same name. Come in and it's going to give you some information. You're going to see the actual mailing address of the business. And you're going to see the title. There's going to either be a title S, title P. Try to look for the manager of the property. Do not send the registered agent. Just look for the name. This has actually a couple different members. Look like they're the same family. Rajab and Kia Ali. So I take that information instead of the actual corporation. Stick it in here. I just stuck one of them in. Stuck the last name, first name in. And then copied the actual address of the business. All of these were the same. If I had multiples, not counting the registered agent, but multiples here, and they were actually in the U.S., I would probably copy and paste and make duplicates of that address and then do separate ones with different addresses. So if there's multiple addresses here, you may have to actually duplicate the address of the property address and then have multiples of the different managers so that each one of the managers gets a letter. And you copy and paste and you go all the way through the process. So that's basically all it is. Go from one site to the other. We need to do these and then we'll have multiples. I'll be actually adding the property address and keep this list getting larger and larger, and it'll be an ongoing job. So if you're interested and you understand it, if you have any questions, give me a call or an email and we'll go through it. But that's pretty much it.